Today's business leaders are in constant flux, adapting, learning, and growing. They take on new challenges each day and push the boundaries in all industries. Are you ready to explore your potential? Over the years, the Arctic Business Executive Program has helped professionals enhance their skill set and unlock endless possibilities with the support of our global startup environment. Whether you're eager to steer your career in a new direction, improve your expertise, or gain first-hand experience at a thriving startup, the Arctic Business Executive Program is designed to help you achieve your goals. We're proud to have launched over 150 startups in a range of sizes, industries, and geographic locations. As part of our executive program, you'll get access to our international network and directly engage in bringing startups to life. Through workshops and networking, you'll learn how to run innovation-driven companies. You'll work with our startup ecosystem and join a board for 6 to 8 months to further develop your skills as an executive professional. Arctic Business will supply you with everything you need to expand your capabilities. Make your career extraordinary by joining the Arctic Business Executive Program. It all starts with you.